Guys, today we're just going to go over a couple things that everyone should know, everyone should have if they're going out on a trail, going in the woods, and especially if you're a new Boy Scout or getting into Boy Scouts. These are going to be the 6 essentials for the Boy Scout or Cub Scout going on hikes. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. First thing we're going to talk about is going to be the first aid pack. First aid kit, boo-boo bag, boo-boo kit, whatever you want to call it. Everyone should have something in their kit that covers most minor injuries, scrapes, cuts, splinters, things like that. So we're going to have some tape. We have an emergency blanket. We're going to have some roller gauze, some 4x4s, just some other gauze here. We're gonna have something to wrap up some wounds with, just basic band-aids. We got some deep woods off for mosquitoes and bug repellent. Those nasty bugs can really get to be a pain, especially in the summertime if you're working around water, things like that. So it's always good to have that. Also, some tweezers, which are in here. And even if you have some allergies, maybe some allergy medicine, some ibuprofen, Tylenol, that sort of thing. It's always good to keep in a basic first aid kit like that. Just in case you start getting achy muscles, falling, spraining a knee or something, you need to take a little something just to get you back to where your vehicle or trailhead is. So all these things, basic first aid kit, that's going to be number 1 on the list of your 6 essentials for your Boy Scout kit. Number 2 on the list is going to be water container. Now, anytime you're going out, you always want to pre-hydrate before you go out. The best way to carry water is in your belly. So if you can drink a little bit before you actually go out, it'll help get you ahead of the curve for getting dehydrated. Definitely don't want to get dehydrated, but having some sort of way to carry water in a container. You can have an Nalgene bottle like this. You can do a stainless bottle. Basically any way, even just little disposable water bottles, but you need to have some water with you if you're going out. You can take small sips along the way, as you're playing or hiking. It's always good to stay hydrated. So number 2 on the list is going to be the water bottle. Always be sure and fill it up before you go out, and we'll go on to number 3. All right, folks, number 3 on the list is going to be trail food. Trail food could be granola, peanut bars, trail mix, which is an awesome source. You get your protein, your salts, your sugars, everything all in one. You could do something like a Gatorade protein bar. It's got good calories in it to get you through, keep you energized while you're out on the trail. Any of these would work. I wouldn't do a whole lot of just like sweets and candy and things like that, but if you're having something to pack in your bag, something like this would be a great source of energy and nutrition while you're out on the trail. Like I said, along with trail mix, Gorp, those are always perfect standbys for being out on the trail. Beef jerky would be another one. Love beef jerky. Can't go wrong with beef jerky and trail mix. But these are quick, simple, easy, and open them up, eat them while you're on the trail, pack your trash away, and you're ready to keep on going for another fun day. Number 3, food, snacks for the trail. The number 4 thing on the list is going to be a flashlight. And what I like even better than a flashlight is going to be a headlamp. This gets you hands-free operation if you're hiking, if you're cooking something, if you just need to scramble through the woods. Headlamp's awesome. You don't have to worry about taking up one hand with a flashlight. Now, if you just have a flashlight, don't have a headlamp, that's perfectly fine too, but you need to have some sort of light source if you get stuck out in the woods or dark sneaks up on you. If you're under canopy, it's going to get darker earlier, so it's always good to have a source of light. Even something like this for an emergency, these are just light sticks. You can throw 1 or 2 of these in, they're super cheap. Have those in your pack, and if you need to, you can crack one. You can use them as markers. You can use them, give them to a friend, that way you can see each other in the dark, keep track of where each other are. All these are great options, but at least one flashlight, preferably a headlamp. It's going to be the number 4 thing on the 6 essentials list. Number 5 thing is going to be a whistle, emergency whistle of some sort. It's good to have it on a lanyard where you can either clip it into your pack or you can wear it around your neck. That way you always got it with you. If you get lost or separated, you need to signal somebody. It's a whole lot easier to blow this than it is to try to yell for someone. Also, this carries further, so you won't wear yourself out screaming and yelling. You can just 3 blasts on the whistle, emergency sign, 3 of anything, sign for distress. Or if you're looking for someone, you can, and then they can whistle from somewhere else, and you know that you're at least within earshot of each other, so you're not getting too far separated. The number 5 thing is going to be a whistle to signal for emergency or signaling other people in your party. So the number 6 thing is going to be sun protection. You want a way to kind of protect yourself from the sun, keep the sun off your face and neck. Sunglasses, sunblock, even something like a shmog could be used for sun protection. If you're out and about, you can take one of these, you could wrap it around your neck, you can wrap it around your head. There's a lot of different ways to use something like a shmog. Even if you stop somewhere, you can make you some shade or something just to keep the sun off of you. So the number 6 thing is going to be sun protection, sunglasses, sunblock, hat, or even some sort of covering to keep you out of the sun. So we got our 6 essentials ready to go, ready to hit the trail, go have a day of fun. First thing, first aid kit. First aid kit, first, easy to remember, right? Next thing is going to be water and snacks. Nothing goes good together like water and snacks. Then we've got our sun protection, our whistle, and our flashlight. All great things to have whenever you're hitting the trail. Of course, there's going to be more things you can have. Some sort of tarp or shelter. You may want your knife with you, a way to start fire. But all these are going to be things that the first 6 are definitely going to be the first 6 essentials to start any kit and get you ready to hit the trail and have a great day. Thanks for watching. This is Ditch Talk. Check out, I'll try to have links to some of this gear in the description. And thanks for checking me out, and look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day and stay safe out there.